Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install your games in your external drive. Right, so it's very really easy thing to do. First of all, for example, when you have purchased the game or when you have added the game in your library, so it will show up in the left side. Right, for example, that this is the game eSports FIFA 23 that I want to add it into my external drive. So when I just go and click on install, it will give me an option of all the drives which I have right now. Right, so for example, you can see here I have E and I have F, but I have another drive too which is completely empty and I want to install the game on that folder or in that drive. So first of all, you have to just go and click on the settings gear icon. In the storage, you will be come up directly in the storage. In the here on the top, you will see add drive, and add drive you will get all the drives which you have. But still, if it doesn't show your external drive here, just go and click on let me choose another location and just go and click on add. Right, and you can just add your whichever drive you want to add it. Right, so this is how you can do it, and it's really easy. Once you have selected it, automatically you will get this option up here and you can just select it and just go and click on install. So this is really easy thing. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.